Hi, this is Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media, and during the festive Christmas season, you might want to add an emoji of yourself in the comments on your Facebook post. So let's go ahead and open up Facebook so I can show you what I'm talking about. Here we are on Facebook, and if you scroll down and decide you want to leave a message, such as I did right here on my sister Jackie's, you can see I did an emoji and it's me saying Merry Christmas. So I am going to attach the video that tells you how to set up your emoji with Facebook, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use once it's set up. So what I did was I went to where it says write a comment, and I clicked on that smiley face. And when you click on it, you will see all the avatar stickers that are now available for you to use that are all related to Christmas and then Hanukkah as well, which is over tomorrow, of course. But it has so many cute emojis to pick from, and it just does not have to be Christmas. So I hope that you can enjoy adding a few light-hearted comments on all your friends and family's posts by using the emoji that's designed for you. You might also notice it says edit avatar. If I clicked on edit avatar, I could go into the avatar of me and I could change anything I want, from my hair to the glasses to the clothes I'm wearing, maybe to dress up to suit a little more Christmassy. This is Heather, and remember everyone, Merry Christmas and keep it simple.